If you want to learn how to write an SQL query in LibreOffice Base, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're opening a brand new database or working with an existing one, this is one of the easiest ways to start querying your data directly inside LibreOffice Base. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look at the left side under Create. Here, click Base Database if you want to make a new database, or open your existing database if you already have one set up. If you are creating a new one, LibreOffice may guide you through the database setup process before you can continue. Once your database is open, look at the left panel inside LibreOffice Base. You will see several sections like Tables, Forms, Reports, and Queries. For writing an SQL query, click Queries. This is the area where you can create, manage, and run database queries. Now click Create Query in SQL View. This is the important step because it opens the SQL editor instead of the normal query design view. In SQL View, you can type the actual SQL command yourself, which gives you much more control over what the database returns. Inside the SQL window, you can now enter your query. For a basic example, type select star from your table name, or more specifically, select star from table name. The star symbol means you want to return all columns from that table. Make sure you replace table name with the actual name of your table. If your table name includes spaces or special characters, keep the quotation marks around it. If you want to make the query more specific, you can also add conditions later, but for now, this basic query is perfect for testing. It is a great way to confirm that your table is connected properly and that your data is displaying correctly. After typing your SQL query, look at the top toolbar and click the Run Query icon. This tells LibreOffice Base to execute the SQL command and fetch the matching records from your table. If your query is written correctly, the results will appear right away in the output area. If nothing shows up, double-check the table name, spelling, and punctuation in your query. Once the query has run successfully, you can save it for later use. To do that, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard, then enter a query name so you can easily find it again in the Queries section. After typing the name, click OK to save it. This is especially useful if you plan to run the same SQL query again in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to write an SQL query in LibreOffice Base, run it, and save it for later. This is a simple but powerful skill that can help you manage and analyze your data much faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more LibreOffice tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.